Hello viewers, welcome to the video. Today we are going to study example 4 of chapter number 1 number systems, which is on page number 7 of your textbook. And the question is, we have to locate root 3 on the number line. The question is, locate root 3 on the number line, and this is the number line I have already drawn. So let us start the question. So how we are going to solve this? So let us first draw an x-axis. Let us first draw an x-axis and then a y-axis perpendicular to that. We will draw a y-axis perpendicular to that. On x-axis, that is OA. On x-axis, we will take 2 units. What will be the length of the x-axis OA? It will be 2 units, and AB will be 1 unit. AB will be 1 unit. And what is 1 unit? 1 unit we will consider as 2 centimeter. 1 unit we will consider as 2 centimeter. Here you can take 1 unit as 1 centimeter also, 2 centimeter also, 3 centimeter also. Why I have taken 2 centimeter? So that our figure like is zoom out, okay, so that you can watch it and it will be easily eligible to you, okay. So that is why we are taking 1 unit as 2 centimeter. Now let us draw this line. Let us draw this line. Now what we are going to use, this OB will be our root 3. OB will be our root 3. But how you can find out OB? So that we can find out by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? The statement of Pythagoras theorem states that the length of the largest side of the triangle. Which is the largest side? The largest side, as you can see, it is OB. So the square of the largest side, the square of the largest side is equal to the square of the largest side is equals to the sum of squares of other two sides. Now which are the other two sides? The other two sides are OA and AB. So we have to do the square of both. So the square of OA, that is OA square, and square of AB. So this is our Pythagoras theorem. Now do we know OB? No, we do not know OB. Do we know OA? Yes, OA is 2. So it is the square of 2. Okay, it is the square of 2. Okay, so here if we do the square of 2, it will be 4, and 4 plus 1 will become 5. So our OB will be root 5, but here we want root 3. So how can we get root 3? We can get root 3 if we do root 2. If we do root 2 instead of 2. If we do root 2 instead of 2. So here we are getting root 2. What we are getting? Root 2. So now if we do the square of root 2, now if we do the square of root 2, and AB is 1. So it is the square of 1. Now what will happen? See, this 2 and this root 2 will get cancelled. This 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. So now here we will get pure 2, and 1 square is 1. And this is OB square again, and this is OB square again. Now if you want to remove the square, here it will be under root. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and the square will come towards the right hand side. It will be under root of 3. So now here you can see, now OB we got is root 3. Now here OB we got is root 3. So what we have to do, on this x-axis we have to first locate root 2. Now can we locate root 2 here directly? No. So in order to locate root 2, we have to take another method. And that how to locate root 2, that we have already solved in example 3, in the previous example. So you can go into the previous video and you can and you will be able to know how to locate root 2. So how we were able to locate root 2? We were able to locate root 2 by taking one unit and one unit, that is one unit on the x-axis and one unit on the y-axis. That is how we have locate root 2. So let us first locate root 2 here. Okay, so how we will do? We will do it with the help of this compass. So one unit again, okay, in the previous video one unit was equals to again 2 centimeter, one unit was again equals to 2 centimeter. So here in order to locate root 2 we have to take one unit on the x-axis and one unit on the y-axis. So let us start from 0. One unit is equals to 2 centimeters, so it is 0 to 2, it is 0 to 2. Okay, so let us locate 2 centimeter here. So let us first do 2 centimeters. So this is our 2 centimeter, that is equals to 1 unit, that is equals to 1 unit. Now we have to do, now we have to take a perpendicular, now we have to take a perpendicular of this. Now we have to take a perpendicular of this. Perpendicular is nothing but 90 degree, perpendicular is nothing but 90 degree. So let us take a perpendicular of this. How much again we have to take? We have to take 1 unit, we have to take 1 unit. 1 unit is equals to 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is again 1 unit and this is again 1 unit. Now what we will do? We will connect this, we will connect this, we will connect this. This is nothing but our root 2, this is nothing but our root 2, which is this line, which is this line. Now so this is O and this is A, so this is O and this is A. Now from this OA we have to take AB, which is perpendicular to that, which is perpendicular to that. So this is OA, this is OA. Now perpendicular to that, perpendicular to that we have to take one unit, and one unit is equals to 2 centimeter. One unit is equals to 2 centimeter. So this is again 1 unit, this is again 1 unit, and now we are going to connect this, we are going to connect this point and OA. We are going to connect this point with O. So that is our point B. That is our point B. And this OB is root 3. So this OB is root 3. Now how to represent this OB on the number line? How to represent this root 3 which is on OB on the number line? So that we will help. So that we will do it with this compass. So now what we will do? Okay, put one point on O, put one point on O and put the second point, that is on the pencil, on B. Okay, like B, and straight away make an arc such that it touches the number line. Make an arc such that it touches the number line, like this. It touches the number line. So wherever it touches the number line, wherever it touches the number line, here that is our root 3. That is our root 3. So this is how we can locate root 3 on the number line. Hope you have got this question. If you have any doubts, you can comment into this comment section, and just like the video. You can subscribe to the channel and please share the video to your friends. Thank you and have a good day.